Ji, how are you?
Fine. I think, of course, from last 5, 6 months, I am regularly monitoring and managing my portfolio.
Okay.
Just to update and take your suggestion for further, I just wanted to speak. I
Yeah,
think
what?
I have got about near about 30% return I got from last April, maybe around 5, 6 months.
Very good.
Uh,
Very good.
is above 20% above the Sensex.
Very good. Very good. Congratulations.
Okay. Is it satisfactory or still further improvement is to be done?
Well,
Is
after
it?
outperform this Nifty, then what else you want? Huh?
Definitely, I am outperforming Sensex and Nifty.
Very
That's
good.
the
Very good.
doubt. But how much we have to outperform, whether 5%, 10%, 15%,
See,
that is.
honestly speaking, Warren Buffett in last 80 years is able to go at a rate of 21%. If you're going at 25, 30, you are better than Warren Buffett.
Now, presently, as on today, it is 20% above the Sensex.
Very good. Very